Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Baselworld 2019 with Sinn. This is the new 206 Arktis. This is a new edition of the Arktis, which was originally the 203 Arktis. The watch is a little bit larger now at 42 millimeters wide, and I have always really enjoyed the Arktis because of this beautiful ice blue dial. It's got a little bit of a metallic finish there. The 206 watch harkens back to some of the original military watches that then produced. It's extremely legible. It contains a Swiss ADS 7750 automatic chronograph movement. The watch has some interesting technology. It's filled with a gas which does not allow for any type of humidity to be in the case, and there's a small capsule on the side of the case here which, if there is any moisture, will absorb it. This is a watch which is designed to survive and to perform well in extreme low temperatures. It's a great all-around watch, and the blue dial is gorgeous. Price for the new 206 Arktis is around 3,500 euros, depending on where you are and the strap, and you can see more on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.